Is your washer's handle cracked or damaged? Well, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the door handle on your washer. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new door handle, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. To remove the door handle, first we'll need to open the washer's door. Using a T20 Torx, remove these 4 screws holding the door to the washer. With the screws removed, lift the door to remove it. Then, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Using a T15 Torx, remove the 2 screws holding the door strike to the door. Gently pry on the top of the door strike to remove it from the door. Using a T15 Torx, remove these 15 screws. Carefully separate the inner and outer door panels. Then, pull on the handle to remove it from the outer door panel. If you need to purchase a new door handle, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You will make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag in your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align this groove on the door handle to the outer door panel and slide it into place. Align the inner door to the outer door and install these 15 screws. To help avoid breaking or damaging the plastic mounts and threads, we suggest installing these screws by hand and making sure not to over-tighten them. Work your way around the door to be sure that the inner and outer panels are connected and flush on all sides. Align the door strike to the door with the flat edge facing the bottom of the door. Insert the bottom into the door and push the top into place and install the 2 screws. Align the door to the front panel of the washer so these 2 retainers set into these slots. Secure the door into place with the 4 T20 screws and make sure that the door closes properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.